the aquarium. And your house?
Yeah. And then I just have something that you can look at most of the map on up above the house.
Mm-hmm.
And then water to drop down in if you're in survival.
Oh, there! Oh, super. That's cool. I like that.
Okay.
Well done. That was a good plan. And oh, look at all your parrots everywhere. Balloons. And
I just did the house from up because I thought it was kind of something different to do and colourful and fun to build, kind of.
super stuff.
So I built a castle, but I didn't really get most of it done. But
It is a huge build in such short time, just over an hour and nearly a half. Nice castle. If you had more time, that would be looking very good. Well done. Tell us about your house.
Yes, I was sort of going for like a castle style, but more of a house.
Mm-hmm. It's like a tiny castle.
There's a bit of interior.
Mm-hmm.
You can sprint on this pressure plate to go up to the second floor.
Hold on. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that was fast. Super. Very good detail, isn't there? Especially that we only had that little time. I keep thinking.
Few things. First is this portal.
Mm-hmm.
You click left one to activate it, click right one to deactivate it.
Wow.
This is just it just shoots it, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
This is an automatic farm that can, you know, go up as high as you want.
Mm-hmm.
It's already working. It's got some here. So that would just work on its own. Like if I show you how it works, if it takes one here,
Mm-hmm.
it pushes out, breaks it, and then
Sorry, look, I kind of lost you
the
there.
teleporter back there, which you can show off using this. It's a TNT cannon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and if you click the left back there, I'll be teleported back. So it's
Okay.
like a long range traveling thing.
Over here is the computer, is the map art, but like not up and everywhere. It's not giant.
Real life picture. And if I go to Sam again, you see the small version of it. Well, very interesting skin. I never said anything about that. That is cool. Building relic. Your wonderful house. All the work you put in today, that was very nice. And a veranda, I like that. See, that kind of roof is nice as well, William. I like that.
Yes. And I've also put some dwarf fungus on the front.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see, can I see that? Oh yes, here. Is that it?
Yeah.
Nice, thank you.
It's just a museum.
Cool. Thomas, who I have not visited for a while. Oh, you have a boat. Talk to us about your design.
It's just build something random.
I wish when I was building something random it turned out as nice as that. Very interesting, isn't it? I love that. It's on stilts, so if there was water, your boat would be very handy. And if there was a flood all of a sudden, you'd be fine and dry. That's forward thinking. And wow, nice effect inside. Oops, sorry, went a bit too fast. Super, thank you, Thomas. And unicycle. Yes, the White House that you built. Talk to us about it. Charlie, unmute yourself. Yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, you can talk now.
I just thought of making a modern house on my head, and I eventually came out with this.
Very nice.
There's a little sign at the front.
Sign at the front. Oops, that's the other side. Oh yeah,